from the kickoff. Pescasolido's away here, and he wasn't far away with that effort either. Naylor's kept it in, I think. Lescott's clearance blocked, and Paul Pescasolido with the chance, and the goal! Inside 2 minutes, fine finish from Paul Pescasolido. What a start to the game! Sturridge showing his pace, and he's found his striking partner Georgian Dar, who threads it through the legs of Paddy Kenny to make it 1-1. This is Dean Sturridge, and now it's 2-1 to the visitors. Fine finish from Dean Sturridge. Cabba and Pescasolido getting each other's way. Could be a penalty, and is. Jolyon Lescott the culprit. Cabba goes down. Lescott doesn't like it, but he can't have too many complaints. An opportunity for Michael Brown to level it up in front of the Kop. Brown against Matt Murray. Easy, 2-2. This could be a free kick here to Wolves. Colin Cameron will leave it to Alex Ray, who takes it quickly, then Cameron goes down. Clipped by Paige Wossey. Well, there didn't seem to be a lot of contact, but the referee has given a penalty. Dean Sturridge against Paddy Kenny. He stutters, he scores. It's 3-2. 2 penalties in just 6 minutes. Rankin's header, Murray tipping it round the post, and that was close. Really has been a highly open, highly entertaining game. Rankin looking for Pescasolido! What a goal! What a way to level it up!